How to apply multiple filters at once in FaceApp. Want to take your edits to the next level? Here's how to apply multiple filters at once in FaceApp and create a completely customized transformation. For this, first launch the FaceApp on your device. Now select a clear front-facing photo from your gallery and start by choosing any filter like skin, as freckles, and edit it. You can change its smile and tap on apply. Now that the second edit is saved, you'll be taken back to the main filter menu. From here, you can continue adding filters like gender, beards, glasses, and more. Each time you apply effect, tap on apply. Once all your filters are applied, tap on save to download the final image, or you can share it instantly to social media. As I have already made how to share on social media in my previous video, you can go and watch it from there. And that's how you layer multiple facial filters into one seamless edit, perfect for creative selfies, font transformation, or jaw-dropping glow-ups. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit like, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment which combo is your favorite. And thank you for watching.